Now our analysis on our Euro USD. First of all, we will start with our daily time frame. You can see that about yesterday, our price opens and closed bullish, by the way, then seeing this huge week, by the way. So one thing is that to predict our price today, I believe that our price might actually open and close bullish, by the way. I would want my price to come to this our area here. Now let's see it, by the way. We can see that our daily time frame, it fell, it came to this area, it pushes up. It also came here, tested this area again, serving as our support, and it pushes up. Now that our price has broke below it, we have to see our price come up to test this area again. We know all our technical work that our price will come out to test our area it's broke away from. So this is exactly what I would want to see, that my euro should actually be going and closing bullish today. Then after it, we might possibly be seeing a fall. By the way, it might not happen that way. Our euro can actually fall, also close bearish for the day. As you can see also here as a pullback level here, you can see here as a pullback level here where our price give us a pullback. You will be able to see it clearly on our 4-hour time frame, and we can see we are starting to have that rejection around this area also on our daily time frame. So if our euro falls, fine. If it goes up, fine. But I personally would want to see our euro go bullish before I actually consider going a fall, by the way. So that is exactly what I would want to see, my euro to go bullish. And we can see it on our daily USD index. Our price came here, tested this area, fell, tested here, fell, and it broke above it. But one thing is that our price came to test this area and it pushes up. Now it has come to test this area again. So if possibly our USD does not push up, if our DXY does not give us that bullish move, if it does not give us that bullish move, it falls, right? Then our prediction of our euro going up to test this area is actually would be right. But if in case our DXY starts giving us that bullish move upward, it start pushing up, then definitely we will be seeing a fall on our euro to our USD. So above all, let us watch our DXY, how it will play. So probably in New York section, then we would know how to take our trade once our New York section open. And I want you to also know that I possibly would be doing a live trade. If there's every possibility, if not, I might not do. I probably might do. But let's see it. If our DXY manages to fall below, as we can see it here, we are on a downward trend. If our DXY manages to fall below and continues to go down, then our euro to our USD would be going and closing, possibly go up, close bullish today, the next day opens and close bullish. That is how we probably be seeing our price will open on our euro USD. So do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share.